Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya and I create beauty and lifestyle related videos. So today we are here for a very pretty Amazon haul. So I got off some things from Amazon that I wanted since a long time and I just went like shopped for it. So this shopping was not done now. It was done 4 weeks or 3 weeks prior. I don't remember exactly, but there was some sale going on Amazon and I just thought of picking some random things, and I thought of letting you guys know, as you guys love hauls, my hauls video get a great response. I just thought of making more haul videos for you as you guys seem to love it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we proceed with the haul, there are two things that I would like to address. The first one is, if the sound quality of today's video is not good, please excuse me for that, because my mic is not working currently. Yesterday I shot two videos and then I realized that the mic is not working and everything like was okay. That is okay. I just need to work with this. So the sound quality is not good, but bear with me for one or two videos. I'll get a mic and I'll just improve on my sound quality. The second thing is that we need to appreciate a beauty in the room, and that is Lakme's Forever Matte Lipstick that I am wearing on my lips. This is Lakme's Forever Matte Lipstick in the shade Wine Glow. As the name suggests, it makes my face glow. I mean, like, look at the lipstick color. It looks beautiful. I was a person who used to always wear dark lipsticks, and for some reason I turned into a nude lipstick lover. And now today when I picked this lipstick and just thought of wearing it, it uplifted my mood like this, and I'm truly happy about it. So I'll leave a link of this lipstick. If you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy it. And also, I styled my hair today. I don't do middle partings at all. I never do middle partings, but today I just thought of doing something different, because why not? If you can, you should. So I just middle parted my hair. I don't know if it looks beautiful or not, but I just thought we'll go with this. So let's get started with the haul. So the first thing that I got is pretty basic things: shampoo and conditioner. The one that I got are from Herbal Essence. This is the sweet something strawberry and sweet mint, I guess. White strawberry and sweet mint. Okay, this is the variant. This is a combo, to be very frank, and I love Herbal Essence. This is one of my go-to brands for shampoos and conditioner. If you want something that would linger on your hair for a long time, I suggest you go for Herbal Essence, because it actually lingers on your hair for a very long time, and I love that fact. So I just bought Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner. I would link everything in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box for the links, and you can buy them. Staying in the hair care range, the next thing that I got is a hair mask from Squashcough. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or butchering it, but Squashcough Keratin Smooth, the purple one. This is the hair mask. So I had this small tub of this one and I actually loved it. So anyone who knows me knows that I have short hair and I have smoothened hair. So I have done smoothing. So the time that smoothing is wearing off, it is making my ends super dry. I kid you not, the ends are super dry. I just wanted it to hydrate. So hair masks and everything go very well for me. So the thing was, the small tub was about to finish and I saw this on Amazon, and it was for 1400 and guess 400 I guess, and the small tub, which was 200 ml, was for 900. 200 ml ka 900 tha, and then this is 750 ml, and there was some sale, so I got it for 1485 I guess. And I thought that it is a steal, because I love it so much. Whenever I just pre-mask, like I just wash my hair and like mask it up for half an hour, oh my god, my hair feels beautiful. So that is the reason I got this big bottle, 750 ml, and I'm quite happy with the purchase and the price that I was offered, and I really love it. If anyone is looking for a hair mask that will work wonders for dry ends, please like consider this one. This is actually very good. So the next thing is a very pretty basic thing. I know every household has it, but I got it for my makeup. So this is the Johnson's Baby Buds or Q-tips, whatever you wanna call it. So this is a very random purchase. I just wanted my Q-tips. I just wanted to stack on my Q-tips, so that is the reason I got it. I'll link the price point somewhere here. moving forward, I am very excited for this purchase. So I wanted a setting spray too desperately, and I did not want to spend much on setting spray. As you guys know, setting sprays are quite expensive, so I wanted a setting spray that is quite affordable. So that is the reason I went with this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. This is this small, but it has a good quantity, and this retails for only 250. Oh my god, this is so good, so good. 250 mein it is worth the buy. If you are looking for a setting spray and your budget is not that good, you can go with this one. It actually it actually makes your makeup stay, so I like this one. This purchase is a tad bit bougie purchase according to me. I don't know. I just assume this is a very bougie product. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. So everyone around me was talking about this product, and everyone was raving about this product. This is a very wonderful product, this and that, and I just caught into that marketing hole, I guess, that I bought it. And this is basically a lip balm. I have just used it once. This is a lip balm, but it is quite on the pricier side. 500 for a lip balm seems very pricey to me. I have just used it once. You can see only one dent is there, so you know that I have just used it once. It is a quite okayish product. I won't say it did wonders for me. The same result I would get on my baby lips as well, so I am not sure. I did not give it a fair shot though, but still it works average for me. So the next two products that I have, I am pretty excited about that. You must have guessed by my smirk that what is the product that I'm going to talk about. So I stacked up for lashes. Lashes are my favorite part of this whole ass makeup. So okay, I did not have to cuss about it. So lashes are my favorite part of this whole makeup shabam, and that is the reason I stocked up on my lashes. This is the one that I got. I am not sure which company it was. I'll link it, but I'm not sure. But I guess I got 5 pair of lashes for 350. It was above, like below 350 or 300, I'm not sure, but I'll link it somewhere. And the quality is actually good. I have used one on my bride, and she actually seemed to quite enjoy this product, because these lashes, they don't feel very plasticky, and they have a very like sultry and not that much, like they are not extra dramatic, they are between natural and dramatic ones. So I think that you should actually, if you're looking for good lashes, you can go with this one. You can see how it looks. So this is the one. This second eyelash purchase of mine, I'm very excited about that. So this is the Kelalis Forming Eyelash Multi Pack. This is how it looks like. If you see it closely, you can see that this is a very dramatic pair of lashes. These are not everyday kind of lashes. The one who loves drama can actually handle it. I just got it for all my face paintings or anything else like dramatic eye looks that I do. I got it, and I have not used it yet, but soon I'll be using it and doing a tutorial. So let's see how this goes. But more than this, I'm excited about something else. This actually retailed under 450, I guess. I'm not sure. I'll link it somewhere here. So more than this, I'm excited about something else. That is the eyelash glue. The eyelash glue that I got with this one, oh my god, this works wonders. I have used pack eyelash glue in the past, but I don't know the reason, but it did not work for me. But this one, this actually could stick anything, I guess. So this one, if you want to get if you want to get your hands on a good eyelash glue, I'll suggest please go with this one. And you will get on the combo, you will get this for 400 or 425, I don't remember exactly. But eyelashes and eyelash glue, oh my god, you should get it for this eyelash glue. If I would be in your place, I would definitely purchase this eyelash glue for 450, because it is actually really very good. It holds your eyelashes like anything. For one of my bride, I just put it on and the eyelashes stayed till end, and I was so happy. Okay, fine, the eyelashes are not going anywhere. I was super happy with this glue, so you should definitely check this out. So the last thing that I have for this Amazon haul is a very special thing. I was looking for a makeup bag for so long, because you know I am a freelance makeup artist and I have to go to places, and I can't carry makeup in pouches, because in pouches it always gets lost. I don't know what is the reason, but whenever I put my makeup in pouches, they always go here and there. So I just wanted a good sturdy makeup bag kind of a thing, and guess what, we got it from Amazon. So this is how it looks like. It is very heavy because I have stuffed all my makeup. I mean, half of my makeup here. So this is very heavy. This is how it looks like. I'll show you. The first zip opens up like this, and here you can just put all your eyeshadow palettes. You can see two of my eyeshadow palettes are in here, and here you can just put on your eyeshadow palettes or anything that you feel like. Then the second zip opens like this. This is the main thing. So there are 11 compartments in here, and it is actually a very spacious one. Once you open this thing, you can keep on your brushes here. I know I am struggling a bit because this is too heavy and I can't take the weight. And these are the brushes. Here you will get a zip, and inside you can stock in anything. I have stocked in my eyelashes. This is how we roll. So I am very happy with this purchase. Let me put it down because it's damn heavy. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll put it down. Okay, let's talk about it. So I got this for 1399, I guess, and this is a very comfortable big size bag. The size also I'll mention it somewhere here so you'll not be confused. So I got the one that was for 999. It came and I was so disappointed because it was this tiny. I couldn't hold 1/4 of my makeup in there. So I just called for this one. This was for 1399, but trust me, this is worth every penny. The quality is good, the zip is good, everything with this makeup bag really works very good. So if you are looking for a makeup bag, I'll highly suggest this because this is wonderful. The quality is good. The compartments, you have 11 compartments, so you can put anything and everything in there. Concealers, your kajals, your foundations, everything has its own place. I am really happy with this purchase. I'll link this below. If you want to buy it, you can surely go ahead and buy it. Don't worry, I would not be receiving any commission with this one. I'm just doing it for you, so I'll just link it. If you want, you can buy it. If you don't, that is also perfectly fine. By that we have come to end of our Amazon haul. Please do let me know how do you like it. If you like to see this face, please click on the like button, comment on this under this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already because that would actually mean the world to me, and let me know in the comment section what all you like to see. I'll surely create more such videos where you like to see things. And so until next time, bye bye, love.